Next up on the list is LoopCut and offset edge LoopCut. So we'll take a look at LoopCut first. With LoopCut active, depending on the edge we are over, we'll slice a loop. Right? If we look at offset edge loop, let's get rid of some of these edge loops. Right? And we click. Well, we need an edge loop first, so let's add an edge loop. Right. Now let's offset edge loop. So now we can select that and click and drag. And again, we can use that shift key. But we can also go back to this menu and adjust how it works. Keep it even. It's pretty handy.